I'm the Rhino, the young mage. Follow my adventures in Magic the Gathering.
Welcome back. I'm the Rhino. And today I'm going to be talking about Magic the Gathering Intro Pack. Yeah! Oopsie. Yeah! And it's Magic Origins. And it's a assembled victory. Yeah. And I'm excited because it's a blue and red, a combo that I've never played before. Intro packs are great because they help new players as well as experienced players see new options and card synergies. I'm going to go and open the pack. There we go. Ooh! Okay, this is what I got. This does is when Pierre, it sounds like I said P. Whatever. Enters the battlefield, put 2 colorless Thopter artifact creatures tokens with flying onto the battlefield. It's like nothing can block it. Really. Well, maybe with reach. But 3 mana. Doesn't say tap. 1 red and 2 others. Sacrifice an artifact. Whatever. Deals 2 damage to target creature or player. You got something planned. And a Glinty. And it's only a 4-drop. And Mage Ring Responder. Mage Ring Responder doesn't untap during your untap step? 7 tap Mage Ring Responder. This is a strange card. When Mage Ring Responder attacks, it deals 7 damage to target creature defending player controls. Wow! And it's only a 7-drop. It's rare. Here comes the boosters. Like mommy ordered some boosters for lunch. Now I'm into the first pack. And let's see. Clash of Wills. It's a blue card, and it's a blue and X. Counter target spell unless its controller pays X. Like if they tap everything, I'm just going to counter that. And now we are on to the next pack. It's a Planeswalker. And Miranda likes this. There it is. Okay, now something really cool. Ravaging Blaze. It's a red card, as you can see. Around here, red, and 2 red. And it's 2 red, and X others. The rhino likes this. Ravaging Blaze deals X damage to target creature. Okay. It's a cool card, but it's worth it. And now, Call Full Moon. It's an aura, which it stays on there forever until it dies. Enchant creature. Enchanted creature gets +3, +2, and has trample. Oh yeah! Awesome! This rhino likes it. At the beginning of each upkeep, if a player casts 2 or more spells last turn, sacrifice Call of Moon. Okay, that's weird. And now, let's see if there are... No. And that's it. In my next video, I will have 2 intro decks. Battling it out. And subscribe below. Oh, and you don't want to miss it. Subscribe below and comment below, and you really do want to see the battle in my next video. And subscribe below and comment below, and I'll see you later. Bye. Or bye. And rhino out. And charge ahead. Charge backwards. Do the little wiggly dance. Da 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 da. Yay!